Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome. Alright, the installation procedure is pretty easy. We're just going to start here, and we're going to go ahead and open Microsoft Edge. I assume that you have that on your browser just right off the top if you don't have Google Chrome. One of the quickest ways I use to get to it is just to type Google Chrome right here. You don't have to type anything in specifically, just Google Chrome, it'll search it. And right here on the list is the download now link. Now you can additionally go to google.com, click on Google Chrome and click on download, but this is much faster and this will take you right to it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on the link. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click download Chrome right here. This will allow you to download, or this will set you to download the latest copy of Google Chrome. We're going to go ahead and open that file that we just downloaded. You should also additionally be able to find that in the downloads folder too. So, all right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let it do its install. You do have to be connected to the internet in order for this install to go. So make sure it's connected to the internet and then let it do its download and install. All right, once that's finished, it's going to finish doing the installation. Give that just a minute too. All right, now Google Chrome automatically opened up right here so you can see it, but it also created a link here on the desktop so you can see that too. I sometimes additionally like to drag that down just so there's a copy of it here in the taskbar, or if you right click on it, you can do the same thing where you pin it to taskbar so it shows up down here with the bottom stuff like that. All right, there you have it. Next time we'll get into some settings and stuff like that, but I hope that's helpful for some people. Thank you again, and thank you for checking out Tech on Tech.